the surprises. Very delicious things, and these are mini pizzas. Now I'm placing the order of 6 rasgulla. Of sweet biscuits. I think the food here we can't biscuits. Because this is the bakeries food, and let's see what's and this is decorative things, birthday surprises, and there's also butterfly mask over there, the normal masks. So let's get in another section. This is another section. These are so big cakes, and these are this is a little bit smaller, and this is the delicious one. Hello. And this is the cake, which is the round in a mold, and this is the delicious one. This one actually looks like pudding, right? These are actually called mousses and cakes. This actually looks like jelly, right? I think I'm going to buy out these two faces, but which one? This is the black food, this is the white one. So I think I'm going to get this one. These are the pastries, really yummy. Let's put it in the cart. Now let's move on to the section. Biscuit, and these are also macarons over here. Green one, yellow one, pink one, and white one macarons. Guys, there is also RASGULLAS, and there is also RASGULLAS, Gulab, Jaman. Now I'm placing the order of 6 rasgulla. Guys, this is Kaju Katri, and my mom loves it. And this is Gulab Jaman, and my mom also loves it, and also me. It's not a thing or even just my mom loves it, I also love it. These are very delicious things, and these are mini pizzas.
Chicken Priyazo.
Guys, these are chicken Priyazo.